Have you booked a PT exam and are not sure about PT essay writing? Are there any changes in PT essay writing, and can you use the templates in PTE exam? Then this session is for you. Hello everybody, I'm Aditi from PTE Universe. So many of the students have booked their PT exam, but they are still not sure about PT essay writing. In today's session, we're going to talk about each one of them in detail. Are templates working in PT exam? Can you use templates to get a higher band score, and how to use essay templates? First of all, yes, templates are working in PT exam. You just need to understand how to use the templates the right way. With same template, you can get higher band score. With same template, you can score low. Again, with same template, a person will get full marks, and with same template, a students can score low. You need to understand how to use the template. Also, yes, template is working for a 79 plus. Let me show you some success stories. Shashank from Singapore got 8 each, 83 writing, 82 overall. Then Ajay from India, 90 each, 90 overall. Anubhav from Dubai, 18 writing, 83 overall. So yes, templates are working. You can do the essay writing with template also, without template. Both way I'm going to make you understand. Since in essay writing total there are 20 minutes, so many of the students are not good with typing. They're not good with writing the complete lines. If that is the case with you, go ahead with template. But do make sure you understand how to use the template. Now guys, since PT is a computer based exam, we need to understand how the software works. You need to make sure while writing the essay, you are including all the main keywords from the essay topic or statement in your answer. So computer understands you're writing on the topic. I'm repeating. While doing the essay writing, you need to make sure you're including all the keywords from the essay statement in your answer. So computer understands you're writing on the topic. Because if you're not writing on the topic, you're writing off the topic, you're not going to get good marks in essay writing. And that's what's happening with major students. Students are not including all the keywords from the essay statement. I'm going to show you the three major cases to make you understand how to include all the keywords, what are the keywords, and if the essay statement is very large, how to include the keywords in your answer. So case one, let's say the question contains one statement. How to put essay writing. First of all, guys, let's understand what are keywords. Marks encourage students to learn. To what extent do you agree with this statement? In this question, keyword is this section. This line contains the major keywords, the essay topic statement. This section is just question. This is not having any keywords, so don't confuse it with keywords. The essay topic is marks encourage students to learn. Major topic is marks, and the complete statement is marks encourage students to learn. Now, this is a very short statement. And as you know, the word limit for the essay writing is 200 to 300. If you exceed above the word limit, right below it, you're going to score low. So you have to write in between 200 to 300. Fine. And make sure you include all keywords from the question in your answer. I'm saying this again and again because if you fail to include relevant keywords, you will be scoring low in essay writing. Computer will think you're writing off the topic. I'm going to show you the sample answer, sample question, so you understand how to write your answer. Now see, there are 4 parts of essay writing: intro, BP1, BP2, conclusion. Everywhere you will have to include the essay statement to make sure to help computer know that you're writing on the topic. Fine. If you see here, you have to include the essay statement. Here you have to include main keywords from essay topic or statement. Here you can just include the topic. Here I have given some space so you can write one main keyword related to the topic. Again, you can include main keywords in body paragraph 2. Lastly, in the conclusion, you need to write the topic. That's clear. Now, first of all, let us understand what is the statement. Marks encourage students to learn. This is the statement. So you just need to write the statement in the introduction. One of the most important trends of today's world is a colloquial upsurge in the statement that include this statement. Make sure there are no spaces before the comma. Now, this is a small statement. You can just include this statement again over here. Fine, because it's a small statement. So still your word limit will not exceed. Now here you just need to include the main topic. Just the main topic you can include. And marks can not only contribute to, so any noun related to topic. So marks can contribute to motivation, better future, admission in high profile courses, appreciation, any noun related to the topic. Any noun you can put. See, you can write a line also, but in case if you're not good with writing line, insert a keyword, any noun, because there are less chances of making grammatical mistake. Fine. Again, this is a small statement, so you can just include the complete line, and here also you can just include the main line. This is how again and again I'm writing the essay statement just to make sure computer understands that I'm writing on the topic. Clear? Now this is the case one. Now case two, sometimes situation can be like this one statement, but it is very long. Let's read. Classmates have a more important influence than parents on a child's success in school. To what extent do you agree with this statement? Again, this is the statement, and this is not, this is just the question. So you do not need to include this. This is the main statement. And the major thing is like classmates have a more important influence than parents on child success. Now, just let's go to the question. Just whenever you're writing, keep on checking the word limit. Maybe sometimes you will have to make minor changes as per the statement. So I'm just writing the complete statement in the introduction. One of the most important trend of today's world is a colloquial upsurge in the statement that. Fine, just try to make sure there are no spaces between the inverted commas. Now here, if the word limit is getting exceeded, you can just write the main keywords from the essay statement. So I'm just writing this part, classmates have a more important influence. Fine, you can just see the word limit. Fine. If it's exceeding, just include the main keywords. Now here you just need to write the main topic. I'm writing classmates. Now here, just again I'm repeating, you need to write a noun related to the topic, or you can include the complete line. If you're not good with complete typing, just include a noun. Now see the topic, classmates have a more important influence than parents on a child's success in school. So like to what extent do you agree or disagree? So like I have just included the main topic that is classmates. So what they can contribute to. So like classmates do have a influence. They can contribute to encouragement, academic study. So when you talk to your classmates, definitely you will get encouraged. You will get more influence in academic study. They will give you technical advice. They will give you motivation. They will give you knowledge. So just one main keyword you need to write, like knowledge. Just one main keyword, one noun related to the topic. Again, here, I'm just writing the small part or the main keywords from the essay topic. You need to just check the word limit. You should not exceed the word limit. And here, you can just write the complete statement. Just take care of the word limit and do the changes accordingly. Clear? Now, case two, sometimes an essay statement contains two questions within. Like it is having two statements. Now, so what are the students doing? They're just writing one statement. So computer will not understand you're writing on the topic. Again and again, I'm saying you need to include all the keywords from the question in your sample answer. That's very important. This third part, what is your opinion, is not the keyword. Major statements are some people like to do only what they already do well. Other people prefer to try new thing and take risks. So you need to make sure you're writing different statements. Now, if there are two statements, one easy way is to put different statements at different places. Like I'll show you. Here I'm writing the main topic. I'm writing the statement one over here. Statement two I'm writing over here. In real exam, you will not be able to cut, copy, paste. So you will have to type. So make sure good with typing. Now here you can just write the main topic. Some people like to do only what they already do well. Other people prefer to try new things. and take risk. So you can write the most preponderant one is that risk taking. So here we are talking about risk taking. So you can just write the main keyword. Now risk taking can contribute to, here you need to write a noun related to the topic. So if you take risk, it can lead to success, experience, learning, new potential. So any one main keyword you can write over here, just one. Don't write complete lines because there are chances you may mess it up. Now again, see in body paragraph 2, there's a space. You need to include the statement 1 over here. And you need to include the statement 2 in your conclusion. Again and again, you need to make sure you're writing on the topic. Fine. And guys, let me tell you, while doing the essay writing, please proofread. If you're making grammatical mistakes, if you're writing above the word limit, spelling mistakes, you will score very low in writing. Now, sometimes what happens in exam, we have a very large statement, we have a very big statement. Students do not even read the statement, they just start typing. But again and again, it's a computer-based exam, lots of tips and tricks. You do need to understand that computer is understanding your writing on the topic and you're including all the keywords from the essay statement. See now, it has 3 statements. Bottled water is popular because of its convenience. Yet plastic bottles have also caused a lot of problems. Some claim that bottled water should be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now, this is not the statement. This is not the keyword. There are 3 major statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. First way is to include the statements as it is, like we were doing previously. Let me do this one for you. So statement 1, you can write here. Statement 2, you can write it here. If it's a very big one, just try to include main keywords. Of course, you will have to keep the word limit within your mind, whatever is the word limit. Fine. Here you just need to write the main topic. So main topic is what? Plastic bottles, your topic. Just write plastic bottles. Now plastic bottles will contribute to what? Just one keyword you can write. So they contribute to what? Reduction. They will contribute to air pollution. Fine. They will also contribute to what else? Organic pollutants, toxic chemicals. So just need to write one keyword here. Don't write complete line. Now here I'm writing statement number 3. See, some claim that plastic water should be banned. Statement 3. And again, here statement 1. So in different parts of the essay, intro, BP1, BP2, conclusion, we are writing essay statements again and again, just to make sure computer understands we're writing on the topic. So this is how you can understand if this statement is large, has 2 parts, 3 parts, how to attempt the essay writing. I hope it is clear. And again, I'm showing you the essay template on your screen. You can take a picture out of it, so you're clear with the essay writing. Guys, before we proceed further, now so many of the students will be thinking about, can we do essay writing with template, without template? You can do essay writing both way. With template also, I've shown you the scorecards of the students, so students are scoring. You can do it your way also. If you're doing by yourself, without template, you just need to make sure you include again all the keywords from the question in your answer. Even if you don't understand, include all the complete statement, that's fine. I mean, you do not need to always include all the complete statements. Keywords, whatever are the keywords, that should be included. If you see this question, do you think English will remain to be a global language despite globalization? So English, global language, globalization, these are the major keywords. So you need to make sure all the keywords, the relevant keywords, are a part of your answer. You can do the essay writing with template, without template. This sample answer I'm showing you, which we have written without using complete template. So some of the things are written with template, like intro line 1, BP1 line, BP2 line 1, and conclusion. Rest the complete lines they've written by themselves. You can do this way also. Do it this way if you are good with typing, you're good with spellings, you're good with complete writing lines. Like so many of the students that they're not good with it, so definitely go ahead with template. And just don't write, proofread. So many of the students, they are just writing but are not proofreading. If you make one spelling error, you lose 1 mark. If you make two errors, you lose 2 marks in spelling. And again, grammar is going to play a very crucial role. Articles, like punctuation, all you need to consider while doing essay writing. Rest, I have made you understand both the ways of doing essay writing. I hope this is quite clear how to do essay writing. Before I end the session, there was one more query. Why am I getting low score in writing? So if you're getting low score in writing, first thing, you need to understand your skills profile. That will give you a clearer picture. If you're scoring low in extended writing, then you need to check your essay. Short writing, then you need to check other segments. Also, major writing parts, writing marks comes from other section, like reading writing blanks also contributes, write from dictation also contributes, summarize written text also contributes, listening fill up, summarize spoken text. So major parts of writing comes from listening also. Listening is a very, very important module in PT. Don't take it lightly. Even reading writing blanks are very, very important. They're coming little lengthy in exam. In case if you're struggling in reading writing blanks, I will just attach a video at the end of the session, which we have recently prepared, and we have made you understand how to attempt the reading writing blanks. To watch it, that will be very, very helpful to you. So in case if you're still doubtful about your templates, please comment below your templates which you are using in PT exam and you want us to check. We will definitely reply you in the comment section. And if you like this video, please press the like button, share with your friends who are struggling in essay writing. If you want me to prepare a Hindi version of this video, comment below. We will prepare the same video in Hindi so that the people who want a Hindi version of it or a Punjabi version of it can also get help. That's it for today's session. In case if you're struggling in PT IELTS NATI, these are the numbers on the screen. You can contact us for online training. We're starting new batches. We have group classes, we have one-to-one classes. So if you have booked your exam, we have special score improvement sessions. So many of the students have booked their exam, don't want to do the complete course. They want to know their mistakes. They want to understand in the last few minutes, in the last few hours, in the last few days, how we can improve their scores easily, quickly, fastly with the same template. So you can take that. In case if you want to do the complete course with us, we are having one-on-one classes. Also, we are serving all parts of India. We're serving all the countries. If you're from Australia, you can contact us on the given number. If you're from India or any other part, do WhatsApp on this number. That's it for today's session. I hope this session was pretty much useful to you. Please do share with your friends who are struggling in PT.